Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is just off camera there taking a nap. And it looks like Blue has joined us. Blue just kind of goes around on his own, does whatever he wants, and I just let him do it. Okay, today's exciting because we are making Walt Disney's favorite chocolate soda. They used to serve this in the Plaza Restaurant in the Magic Kingdom. I don't know if they still do. I couldn't find it on the app, but I'm going to Walt Disney World next week, so I'll check it out and see if they do. But yeah, this is Walt Disney's favorite chocolate soda. It's just a simple chocolate soda recipe, and I gotta be honest, I've never had chocolate soda, so this should be interesting. I hope I like it. I probably will. Obviously, if Walt Disney liked it, I'm gonna like it. Because like I always say, I am a Walt Disney fan first and a Disney fan second. Walt Disney is my favorite person who ever lived. So this is exciting for me. Anything Walt, I'm all in. Okay, so let's do it. And this recipe actually comes from magicalrecipes.net. And it is Walt's favorite chocolate soda. All right, so this is gonna be super simple, which is the way I like to make things anyway. So first of all, you need 1/3 cup of chocolate syrup. You're gonna pour that in the bottom of a 8-ounce milkshake glass. I think this is 8 ounces. I'm actually not sure, but this is the glass we're gonna use. That seems like a lot of chocolate syrup. All right, and then to that, you're gonna add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. It says to smush it down. All right, and then you're gonna slowly pour in 6 ounces of club soda or seltzer water. We're using club soda. This is 7 ounces, so I'll basically just kind of fill it up as much as I can. Slowly pour. This is exciting. It's probably enough. Okay, then it says to perch. The word they used was perch. 1 more scoop of ice cream on the top of the glass. And perch makes me a little frightened, but there we go. It's not quite on the top. All right, so I added a little bit more of the vanilla ice cream to get that perch, that perching effect. And so then you're gonna add a straw, and if you'd like to, some maraschino cherries. Isn't that pronounced maraschino cherry? Oops, I'll try to get them up here, how's that? That was really poor. There we go. I sort of fixed it. They just keep falling in. But there you have it. So I better try this here pretty fast. Walt's favorite chocolate soda. All right, now it is time to try this. And it's kind of melted. I tried to get a picture, and it was very hard to do because it keeps going down. But let's try this. Let's try this right now. It looks delicious, actually. I think I might like it, but let's try it just to make sure. Oh yes. I got some chocolate in that sip. I got some vanilla ice cream in that sip. Got the club soda, obviously, in that sip. This is a lot of chocolate, so I don't know if you necessarily need that much, but maybe that's the way Walt liked it. So if Walt liked that much, then I like that much. Let's just be honest here. It is delicious and it isn't too sweet. I think the club soda sort of offsets the sweetness of the ice cream and the chocolate syrup. And I did use dark chocolate syrup, which I like better, but if you like the other, just the regular milk chocolate syrup, you can also use that. Yeah, this is really good. Because it isn't too sweet, which I'm shocked. I think that's the key to the whole thing. Because I've had other, like I think that's why I don't like say like a root beer float, because those for me anyway are almost too sweet. I mean, I guess you could use diet root beer, maybe that would help some. I don't know, but delicious. Walt Disney's favorite, so now it's my favorite. Give us an 8 out of 10. Fantastic, and I can see myself making these all summer long. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button. It really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make. You can attempt that, keyword being attempt. And you can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love, and you're not exactly sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.